Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and you find me here again at Swanwick Junction here at the Midland Railway Centre, and we're here for the final part of our visit. Now we're going to go and have a look at the Westshed, where obviously they've got the Princess Royal class, they've got Winston Churchill's Saloon, potentially where he came up with the D-Day plans, and also we'll get up close and personal with the Duchess of Sutherland. So join me as we take a look around the Westshed. Let's go. Yeah, so here we are at the Westshed, guys, and oh my wow, look at this place. This is incredible. So this is Princess Margaret Rose, and wow. Yeah. It's a 6203 LMS Princess Royal class. Absolutely stunning locomotive. Wow. So this here, guys, is the ex-London and North Western Railway Royal Saloon car, number 45000. And this is literally a railway icon in terms of saloons and coaches. So this is Churchill's D-Day railway carriage. So it's a 99-year-old carriage that may have been part of Winston Churchill's top secret D-Day planning train. So this is iconic. I'm so grateful to be able to see this up close. Absolutely incredible. Yeah, guys, like I said, this is a little bit more of an information D-Day at Droxford. So there's Droxford Station now, and like I say, they reckon this was the coach with a gathering of VIPs made the monumental decision about the D-Day landing. Saloon car 45000. Absolutely incredible. I'm not gonna lie, it gives me chills looking at this, thinking this is potentially where Winston Churchill and other VIPs of the war came up with the monumental D-Day landing decisions, saved thousands and thousands of men. It's incredible. And up here, guys, you do have the miniature version of the Princess Royal classes, and these ones, believe it or not, if I zoom in, we used to run on the Butlins Holiday Express. So yeah, they ran at Butlins. And like I say, they're all original. They've got the original carriages, so they would have pulled holiday makers along visiting Butlins.
It's animal everywhere.
So yeah, even though they're exact miniatures, obviously they're diesel hydraulics, so they weren't actually steam that ran at Butlins. But it's incredible for the fact that these have survived. Currently have an 08 class shunter here, 08331. Looks like it's currently under restoration as well. See all the internals of the diesel engine, which is pretty cool to see.
Obviously, it is a working workshop.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. So here we are, 6233 Duchess of Sutherland, currently under restoration. She's currently got her wheels out. So how far along are they with the restoration, do you know? Or?
We are just waiting for a contractor to come to show us how to use the equipment that he's lent us.
Yeah. And she's planned to go back onto the main line, isn't she?
She is, but she'll be a couple of years away from that, unfortunately.
Yeah, of course.
Because the wheel set's just over there, I've had new tyres put on.
Yeah.
But she's also had a lot of work done to the axle boxes and haul guides.
Yeah.
So, just got to finish off the haul and guide work, and then we can finish off the axle boxes.
Yeah.
Once that's done, we can look into getting her re-wheeled.
Oh. Absolutely stunning.
Which hopefully in the next couple of years will pick up quite a bit.
Yeah, of course. I suppose all the main attention is obviously on Duchess at the moment, so.
Well, it's constant from one to the other actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because 80, our other standard tank has just arrived back from being out on hire.
Oh, okay.
So I can show you that one in a minute.
Yeah, thank you.
That little I can't remember if it's privately owned or actually in the Truster's collection, which I think it is.
Oh, okay.
There's always been a bit of a background project.
Yeah.
But again, there's a bit of renewed hope that hopefully the next couple of years we can push on with it.
Oh, nice.
Because it's never ran in preservation.
No.
So.
Well, that would be nice to see. Wow, this is just incredible, guys. As I said, you've got the Duchess's tender there, you've got George, which is owned by the Trust. Then obviously they've got their standard at the bottom, which they say they're currently working on. This is absolutely incredible. And then obviously you've got the main girl back there herself, Duchess of Sutherland. What an absolute beauty.
Because this end is done. I think so. We've got this tender for our Duchess. Onto that about 5,000 gallons of water.
Wow.
And just under 10 tons of coal. Or 9 tons, sorry. The Mark 1 coaches are renowned for it. So
we really want to have dinner on Pullman. We've never.
So yeah, this is an OS inspection coach. Or been converted into one. You got 80080 down there, which is another standard. Looks a lot more in better condition than the other one.
as I say, this has just come off the hiring period with Worksworth.
Oh yes.
They've had it on hire for the last couple of years, but that contract's now ended and it's returned to us.
Oh nice.
We're going to spend the next few weeks making sure we're happy with it,
Yeah.
running in. And then if all that passes, she will do some trains with the Midland Railway.
Nice.
So we advertise them dates on our new Facebook page.
Yeah, it's been on hire at the Ecclesbourne Railway, guys. 80080. And they are hoping that with a tiny little bit of maintenance to it, it should be back up and running by Maybank holiday.
Crash pillars. So either end of the cheeky looking lounge in for you.
Yeah, I've never looked there.
Nothing seems to have quite right balance between. It's getting them into not really, introduced to anything like it. So
No, of
like
course.
Thomas or anything like that. So
I used to watch that as a bit when I was a bit with Thomas.
I grew up on the original ones. So.
Same.
Yeah guys, just getting up close and personal with 6233 Duchess. It's been absolutely incredible. Like he said, it's probably been a couple of years until she's ready. And obviously she'll return to mainline steam as well. But I've literally fallen in love with her. Obviously her wheels are out at the moment. And there's obviously quite a little bit more work to do with her. But absolutely incredible. And having a look inside that firebox as well. Biggest firebox in the UK. And it's just, yeah, I'm blown away with the place. Thank you so much to the people at the Westshed for letting me get up close and personal. And that's it guys, our time here at the Midland Railway Centre has come to an end. I've absolutely had an absolute amazing time. Like I said, you've just seen there up close and personal with the Duchess of Sutherland here at the Westshed. Major thanks again to the people for showing us around. Like I say, it's going to be a couple of years until she's back up and running, back on a mainline service. You also have the two standard classes there, that hopefully one of them will be back up and running by the Maybank holiday. And obviously Fred, which, you know, was nice to see up close and just see all the intricate details, all the machinery dotted around the shed there in person. Yeah, and the little Butlins ones as well, can't forget them. Really, really hope you enjoy it. If you have, give us a like, comment down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.